Huawei Watch Fit 2, and I'll show you how to pair this watch with an iPhone. First, turn on your watch by pressing and holding the side button until the Huawei logo appears, then release and wait for it to boot. Select your language by swiping up and down on the screen. Download the Huawei Health app from the App Store on your iPhone. Search for Huawei Health and tap Get to install it. Open the app and allow the required permissions, including Bluetooth. Enable the health features you want and tap Allow. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone. Tap the device's icon, then Add and select Smartwatch. Wait for the list to update and tap on Huawei Watch Fit 2. Minimize the app, go to iPhone settings, tap Bluetooth and wait for the watch to appear under other devices. Tap on the watch name, then confirm with the check mark on the watch. Go back to the Huawei Health app, tap Completed, then Next. Select the watch again and tap Pair. Allow notification, location, and contacts permissions if desired. Choose your update preferences and tap Done. The watch will appear in the device list and is now paired with your iPhone. That's how you pair this watch with an iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like on the video.